Ever tried sketching an idea on paper, then lost the paper 5 minutes later? Yeah, same. So if you're searching for a tablet that actually feels like paper and doesn't distract you with notifications screaming for attention, stick around because I tested the reMarkable Paper Pro so you don't have to. I've been using this thing for sketching, note taking, and reviewing documents, and the first thing you notice is the writing feeling. This is not glass pretending to be paper. The surface has real texture, real friction, and almost zero gap between the pen and the ink. When you draw a line, it shows up instantly. No lag, no wobble, no wait did it register. The 11.8-inch color display is a big upgrade, and no, this isn't flashy tablet color, it's color ink. That means softer tones, easy on the eyes, contrast, and colors that actually help organize ideas instead of distracting you. I use color to separate sketches, highlight plans, and mark important notes. It genuinely makes complex pages easier to understand. For reviewing PDFs and documents, this thing shines. You can write directly on files, sketch diagrams, annotate pages, and still feel focused because there's nothing else to do here. No social media, no pop-ups, just you and your work. Now let's talk about the marker. Perfect weight, magnetic snap, super responsive, and if you use the Marker Plus, the built-in eraser feels so natural you'll forget undo buttons exist. So who is this for? If you sketch, plan, study, design, or think better with a pen in hand, this is digital paper done right. If you're here for games, videos, or endless apps, wrong device. If you're here to focus and create, this might be the cleanest upgrade your workflow ever gets. Stick around for more real reviews like this. No hype, just hands-on experience. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.